What's going on, guys? Thank you for checking back in with today's video. I hope you guys are having a good day. If you guys are following up with the CA18 build, in this video we're going to be doing a little bit of welding. I've already shaved down and deleted a good bit of this intake manifold. Let me show you guys real quick. So last week I decided to take my intake manifold here, get this guy taken apart and bring this main plenum in. Now I started, as you guys can see, already shaving down the manifold itself. I kind of wanted to polish this guy, but I'm not sure if I'm going to go that route. I really like the look of the delete on this intake plenum here, and I don't run any of these sensors like the idle air control valve. And then there's another like small sensor or something that was ran over here. I'm not sure what it is off the top of my head. If you guys have a CA, maybe you can drop that below. But everything is basically going to get deleted. I have two little plates here that I'm going to be welding over. This one, as you can see, is cut at a small little angle. It's basically just going to be sitting on the side of this guy, up against here in this general area, because I don't want to get too close to this area because there is a paper gasket here and then there are threads. I don't want to apply too much heat to this aluminum and warp it all out. But the basic idea of how this is going to set up is kind of like this here. Basically what I'm going to do is weld all the way around, weld these two plates together, and then shave everything down, grind it all down, and make it look like it was all one piece. You guys are probably wondering how I'm going to do all of this welding, and this doesn't look like my garage. Well, that's because I'm here at work. This is where I make all the magic happen to fund all of this cool stuff. So, with that being said, guys, I'm going to clean up these delete plates a little bit more, kind of shape them up, make sure that it fits around this area, clean up this face a little bit more, grab my acetones over there on the table, and then wipe this guy down and get ready to clean it up. So I've got the plates tacked on here. This is kind of the general idea of how they're going to be sitting. I'm going to run a bead across the bottom there, across the back, the top side, obviously weld the plates together, and then up here in the front. When I get done with the front here, I'm going to round that off with the grinder and the DA, maybe use the little finger sander here or Dynafile, whatever you want to call it. Just do what I can to shape this and kind of give it that round, nice deleted look. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to film just a little bit of me welding, and then it's going to hop over to a time lapse because this might be a little lengthy, and I sadly forgot my phone stand or phone holder to hold this guy so that I can film, so I'm going to have to make some sort of little jig to set my phone up so you guys can see that. But with that being said, guys, we're just going to dive right into this and get to it. Alrighty, guys. He's tacked on there. I've got my tungsten all cleaned up, sharpened up. I'm going to be using a 3/32 rod and tungsten for about 175, 180 amps. I'm going to lay a few passes, just kind of moving myself all around. That way I don't distort the aluminum here on this manifold itself and put too much heat into it. Other than that, guys, it's pretty basic. So dive right into it. Alright, I'm going to show you guys real quick, and then probably throw you on a time lapse so we can just kind of get this done and over with. So this is kind of the basic idea of it, guys. I'm going to throw on my other hood over here. This one's my favorite. If you guys weld, you know the good old gold lens is like the brightest lens. Kind of shows up like a whitish blue. I'm going to throw this guy on, throw you on a time lapse. Get to welding! Alrighty guys, so most of the welding is done here. I know a few spots look rough, like I caked it all up there. I mean, I guess I did cake it up there, but that's so that I can round off and do some shaping. So she's pretty hot right now. I'm going to let her cool off for a couple minutes. I'm going to get a couple of my grinding pads here, and I got my handy dandy soap. Grab a couple more of those guys, and we'll get to grinding and shaping, and doing whatever I need to do to get this guy looking pretty. Alright guys, so I'm not going to film too much of this stuff because it is really boring, but it is part of the process. As you see, I've got everything welded up. We are now going to start shaping and grinding. Well, I guess grinding and shaping, I should say. But if you guys work in a shop, you know that the soap helps these pads not stick up from all of this aluminum shaving dust and stuff. But pretty straightforward, guys. I'm just going to film a little clip for you, and after I get, majority of the way through it, I'll probably check back in with you guys to show you. But this is it right here, the fun part. Alrighty guys, she is most of the way ground down. I have a few little odds and ends to touch up here. I'm still on the fence on whether I want to weld right here and kind of bridge this around, trying to make it look like it's all nice one piece there, or just make that a nice 90 and let it be. But I still have to touch up right there. And then there's just a few little spots here and there that I just need to fix. But man, this thing looks freaking sweet. I'm already in love with it. Other than that, guys, I've got to wrap up for the day here. My boss is starting to close down. I've got the bay doors and everything shut. Got to go through, turn off all the gas, the fans, the whole 9 yards. But I'm probably going to pick up with a part 2, carrying on with this. I'll make this video short and sweet. I don't really want to carry it on, drag it throughout the YouTube. I'll just make a part 2, make life super simple for you guys so you can see the next step in making this manifold all slick, deleted, prettied, and awesome. Other than that, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the progress and everything that you see going on with the CA. Check back in a little while, and I'll have the next video for you.
I'm always in the doghouse.